No, I'm teasing. Now, Betty, coming to this point, why do we write? One of my favorite authors, Betty, C.S. Lewis. Akwenzeki ngikho C.S. Lewis because I think ushephe kakhulu indlela engicabanga ngayo, even the writing. I think i-writing style yami ngayifunda kakhulu kubantu abanjengo G.K. Chesterton no C.S. Lewis. Uthi lana u-C.S. Lewis, now it's interesting ukuthi ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi why do we write, and then I'm looking at this quote ethi we read to know that we are not alone. It's very interesting ukuthi I'm trying to answer why sibhala incwadi, but ngizofunda iquote ethi we read to know that we are not alone. Sisa lapho, I think it was this month we lost Quincy Jones. Khona ingoma kaQuincy Jones engangiyithanda because ayingadumile but ayine message powerful. Isihloko sayo sithi what good is a song? That is the title of a song kaQuincy Jones. Ngizofunda line abambala. What good is a song if it cannot inspire? If it has no message to bring? If a song cannot send you higher, then the closing line is, then it's not good enough to sing. Why do we write? I believe we write because we are social beings. I think that is the epitome or the undergird of us writing books. It's simply because we are social beings. And it's through our writing that we are able to inspire, share a message of relevance. That's why somebody can read a book at I'm meeting you for the first time, but I've read your work and your work has impacted me greatly. It's because of that point of relevance. It comes from us being social beings. If that book cannot inspire, it cannot touch me, there's no relevance, then it's not good enough. There has to be a message that will elevate you, send you higher. Utufunda weto alone, and you feel like this author has met me, this person is talking about me. And then you get to realize, I'm not alone in this thing. Because we are social beings. And it's through our writings that we are able to inspire, share a message, and then we elevate you. Thank you so much, Bazalwane. God is love.